Hi Shivansh, why you are worried, pretty upset? All the things are okay? Are you fine?
I hope everything is all right.
I hope everything is all right.
No, nothing is fine because I have I have to get ready for my maths test.
I have to prepare for my maths test.
I have to prepare for my maths test because it's going to be very difficult.
So you can practice it daily
Can you,
and ask your
Panch, please ask for help? Ask for help. How will you ask for help from your friends?
Please, can you suggest me
How can I improve? Full
how can I
sentence
improve
bolo.
in my maths studies?
yes, of course. I think so. You should practice it daily and ask your school sir for doubts.
It's a good idea, but my exam is tomorrow only.
Oh, that's the problem.
Why are you lying? Tomorrow is no exam, Shivansh.
Ma'am, it is on 29th. He's seriously lying. He has 4 days. Actually, ma'am, you didn't said to the real problem. You said in the story.
Chalo. You still have time. Practice nicely. Study properly. Don't cry before you are studying.
Ma'am, I'm not crying. I'm just getting worried.
You are looking
Don't get
worried
keep
and
trying.
cry.
Ma'am, I'm not crying. I'm just getting worried.
रोने जैसा तो कर रहे हो ना पर अंदर से तो रो रहे हो.
No.
Yeah, you look
You
like.
just keep trying.
Ma'am, he was crying one day.
Okay, chalo start. Reyansh, what suggestion will you give to Rahib? Reyansh, Shivansh.
Ma'am, I will give suggestion
No,
to
not like this. I will
Rahil.
give suggestion. You will say, Shivansh, I think you should practice. Say like this. I think you should rather practice. Say something like this.
I think
Practice you have done just.
I think you should rather practice or study math every day for half an hour. You can read only the hard question or for- the hard question you can read only. They will come only. And this much.
Any other suggestion? Shanvi, any other suggestion? You are
Teacher, he should keep trying
he should
and
eat.
practice more.
If I am
Teacher, he should keep trying and not just
Shanvi,
Ma'am,
one by one.
ma'am, we can say,
रेयांश अभी शानवी बोल रही है बेटा तुम सुनते नहीं हो बीच में सुनो यस शानवी
as I'm my sister, so I will ask him about all the tricks that are given in the book. If he can't tell, so I will make him understand all these tricks
ओके
and make
यस
him practice only the main thing.
ओके गुड सजेशन यस रेयांश
ma'am, if he has mistake, we can do that mistake. Prove that you are trying. Helping.
okay you are not very clear with what you're saying
Ma'am, I am saying that mistakes prove that you are trying.
mistakes prove that you're trying so that means if you've done a lot of mistakes that means you're trying harder good so tomorrow Sunbeam children have holiday for tomorrow also yes you have 4 days holiday nobody's participating in this nobody's
Yes, ma'am.
participating in the annual function
No.
okay
None of us.
teacher, but
Because our mother
teacher,
says focus on your studies, not on this annual function. Yes, ma'am.
good
Yes, ma'am.
yes Rahib you were saying something
teacher, there is annual function. We have to go go tomorrow for see the annual function in the senior school.
Okay, you
Yes,
all
ma'am,
are
we
going to the
also.
senior
Yeah, we
school.
also have to go, Rahib Bhaiya, but there is a very emergency that time we have to go somewhere. That's why we can't. And that's why I'm very happy.
Ma'am, I also cannot because I have abacus class.
Where?
Let's simply say
Ma'am,
that
in
this
beside
no
ma'am,
emergency.
beside my house.
No emergency anyway.
You stay in Mirdupur, no?
Ma'am, actually, my sister is saying this is an emergency. Actually, it's no emergency. On 25 is annual function. There's a wedding of a bhaiya.
Okay, there is a
No.
wedding in the family. Okay, relative. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Why?
tomorrow is Dev Deepavali.
When is the relative?
Ma'am, tomorrow is Dev Deepavali.
No, Monday. It is on Monday.
And ma'am, Guru Purav is also on Monday.
Ah, Dev Deepavali and Gurpurab are on same day only.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
our homework.
1 second, Reansh. 1 second.
please don't give homework, ma'am. We have to study for math, and it is very
Okay.
tough.
Shanvi, I said yes. Do not say. See, whenever children you are talking to a teacher, I am not your friend. Your tone of speaking should be very important. Say like this, ma'am, please don't give homework. We have lot of things to study today. This is the way you talk to a teacher. You don't fight with the teacher. Your tone has to be very polite.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sharing one screen. Answer one by one. Shanvi, then Rahib, SRRS. You all will answer like this.
Ma'am, homework.
Riyansh, I said I will ask you after some time. You please listen to the teacher. I have heard it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Chalo.
why
I
do you think
dash as dash. Quickly tell me. Shanvi, answer karo. As cold as dash.
as cold as ice?
Rahib, next. As sweet as. Ice cream is as sweet as.
Teacher, gulab jamun.
As soft as.
Ma'am, pillow.
As frozen as.
As frozen as freezer.
As tasty as. Rahib. Shanvi.
Yes,
Shanvi.
ma'am.
As tasty as.
Pizza.
As creamy as.
Teacher, as smooth as.
May I tell?
As smooth as.
Teacher, cream.
Okay. Fun. Now next. Homework. Rahib and Reyansh, tell me your homeworks. Shanvi, you all can leave the class. Class is over. Or if you want,
Wait, wait, wait.
here for 5 minutes. Whatever they will discuss the homework. Yes, chalo. First thing, one more important thing I want to teach you. In the next class, I will teach you how you have to speak. Your tone of speaking is very important. If I say, what are you doing? Are you not listening to me? And when I say, what are you doing? Why don't you listen to me? Can you see the difference in my tone of speaking? So your tone
Yes,
of
ma'am.
speaking is very important. It has to be polite. You cannot talk to your teachers the way you talk to your elders in the house. Nowadays, we do anything, but the way we should speak to our elders should be very polite. Fighting, talking loudly, rudely, not a good idea. Okay? Maintain that respect. Chalo, Reyansh and Rahib, tell me the homework. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am,
Teacher,
my
what?
daily routine.
बोलो.
Ma'am, before that, they were screaming for homework.
बोलो.
Excuse me, ma'am. When I remember, they were screaming for homework before.
Reyansh,
Can
are
I
you
start?
sleeping in the class?
And my daily routine is I wake up early in the morning and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and get dressed up for the day. Then I eat a healthy breakfast with my family and talk a little bit. After breakfast, I go to school. At, at school, I learn new things and new studies, and I play sometime in the recess. After recess, we studied, and after we dispersed to our buses, after we reached home, I take rest and then study. After studying, I did my homework, and then I had snacks and milk, and then played with my friends.
Okay.
After playing with my friends, I watched TV and I had a healthy dinner with my family. Then I read a storybook and slept while reading it. I'm done.
Oh,
Thank you.
good. Rahib,
All peoples make their routine to work
people's
timely.
is wrong. People's is wrong. Everyone or people have a daily routine.
Everyone make their routine to work timely. I too have a routine. We should follow a routine. So my routine starts from waking up at 5:30 a.m. Then I get ready for school and my bus arrives at 6:40 a.m. I reach the school at 7 o'clock and then spending some hours in school. I come back by 2:30 p.m. After that, I have a lunch and a short nap. Then my tuition sir come and after I have an online class. After that, I used to watch TV or mobile. After enjoying the day,
After the classes, I usually watch TV. Use the word usually.
uh, after the class, I usually watch TV or mobile. After enjoying the day, I have my dinner and I sleep by 10:30 p.m. But before 5 minutes of sleeping, I used to read a storybook. Thank you.
Good. Okay. I have made a video. Please tell your parents to watch the video. Okay, Riyansh? Rahib, please tell mama. क्या हुआ? बोलो.
Ma'am, we can say that we have already written. We can read and my parents can hear. Why we should need a video?
No, teacher, it's okay. No, teacher.
Not this video. I'm talking about my YouTube channel video. Chalo. Bye, bye, bye.
Ma'am, you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, you don't know?
Ma'am, what